I've done a lot of crazy stuff in my life, but this has got to be top 3. I know we have a long video, but this was a 6-day trip driving a boat from Pinellas County to the Bahamas. Turner had his scariest moment of his life while surfing. So did I. There was actually a lot of close calls on this trip, some of the biggest seas that I've ever been in a boat in my entire life, and it was just mayhem and madness the entire time.
They're prepping, Michael, as if this is going to make a direct hit.
The powerful storm has battered much of the East Coast from the Carolinas to the Northeast. The floodwaters turned streets into rivers. The huge waves, measuring up to 12 feet high, have once again created the risk for life-threatening rip currents.
Not far away, the ocean waves crashing far beyond the shore and into the street. A police car stationed near caution tape with the area roped off.
I've done a lot of crazy stuff in my life, but this has got to be top 3. In today's video, we face our first major hurricane of the season since getting absolutely smoked last year. My brother Turner hit me up and said, let's take my new boat to the Bahamas and chase one of the biggest swell-making hurricanes in the last 30 years. So I was like, heck yeah. But when he said take his boat, he meant take his boat from where we live in Pinellas County down to the Keys and then across to the Bahamas. Quite a gnarly send. But when you're Tfue and you have a new toy, it sounds like a fun idea. Oh, shit! Oh. Now, hurricanes can be scary. After living in Florida my entire life, I've never experienced anything like last hurricane season. However, this hurricane's track showed it just being the ultimate wave maker. A lot of people were wondering why I didn't cover this storm and make hurricane updates. Well, I tried. But I was in the Bahamas several days before that hurricane got close, and the internet in our Airbnb was pretty much non-existent. Without further ado, let's get into the footage from one of the wildest, scariest, and most fun adventures I've ever been on in my entire life. John's Pass to Bahamas. Yeah, usually when you go to the Bahamas, you don't leave from John's Pass, Madeira Beach, Florida. We're on Turner's boat. I just saw it for the first time like 10 minutes ago. And now we're going to the biggest swell ever. No, it's just gonna be one of the top 10 of all time. As we traveled south on our journey, we came across Minnesota, which is where Hurricane Milton did some serious damage last year. While most people have moved on from last year's season, there's still reminders all around us. It was eerie to see this while on the way to chase a storm that we weren't even sure was going to stay away from where we were going. Boom! 6 a.m. leaving Key Largo, headed to the motherfucking Bahamas. Next up, Bahamas. We gotta check in. And then we're gonna get a giant swell. After reaching the Keys, we checked into a little hotel room and stayed the night. When we woke up in the morning, it was time to make the cross over to the Bahamas. The conditions are getting worse, and there's gonna come a time where we have reached the point of no return. meaning we can't turn back for Florida and we're gonna have to bunker down and seek shelter in the Bahamas. We used atolls in the Bahamas to hide from the swell coming from the east, but we would eventually have to face the wrath of long interval swell from this hurricane at some point if we wanted to make it to where we planned to go. And the waves began to appear. This is a pretty cool clip. I don't know what this phenomenon is called, but seeing the rainbow continue in the wake of the boat was pretty cool, something that I hadn't seen before. Of course, on the way up to where we were staying, we had to check a couple spots along the way, and we ended up finding this wave. It looked like too much fun, so we had to jump in the water and give it a shot.
All day, all day.
Chooky beat.
And he's gone. Oh my god, he's still going!
Down to the right, big sets out the back. Look to the right, careful, careful, yeah. Careful, careful. What?
That's literally 300 feet in the air. Those flashes. Oh my god!
After a fun surf session, we went around the corner and the waves were absolutely huge. Some of the biggest and craziest seas I've ever been in a boat in my entire life. It was sketchy even in Turner's brand new 43-foot beast of a frontrunner. And we were all freaking out. Nothing was quite as sketchy as when we had to shoot the pass in 10-foot seas across a very shallow reef.
This thing almost broke. Oh.
We didn't die. We made it back to the Airbnb, and the next morning we were off to find more waves in the front end of this swell. And by front end, I still mean huge, with it getting bigger over the next several days. We just loaded up, 3-hour boat ride, searching for barrels.
Holy shit, he was under for so long.
We got our anuses handed to us at this spot and decided to go to that same little left that we found the day before to get our feet in the wax. We had the boat anchored and it made it pretty easy for us to jump off, catch some waves, jump back on the boat in between sessions, drink some water, cook some burgers. We spent the majority of the day shredding the spot and having a good time, getting our first taste of this hurricane swell. We pull up around the corner, the same one we did yesterday, and the waves are just massive. There's a rainbow. Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit. That's a big one.
Look at that thing.
Gotta go after a big set.
I want to put this side now. We're gonna get that right with the right.
Now it's time for another channel crossing because it went so smoothly the first time. We figured as long as we time it right and blast the Pirates of the Caribbean theme song on the speakers at full volume like we did yesterday, it should be fine. day 4 we wake up, and at this point everywhere you look there's an insane wave. Depending on how far you want to paddle, there's waves freaking everywhere. Granted, it's the biggest swell in probably the last 30 years. That's this clean. But man, we could not believe it.
Oh, look at that connector left on the inside. Oh my god.
Oh, that was sick.
Oh, double up.
Oh, corner.
The waves are massive at this point in the trip, and there's a pretty legit surf break on the island we were staying, with 2 other crews of surfers also looking to score. So we paddled out, put on the long lens, and we have some far less shaky footage than having the camera on the boat. And man, was it a barrel fest out there.
I spent time in Hell's Kitchen, no giving that I've been living like a bad man. I'm penny pinching, I'm just trying to make a living. I be feeling like I'm digging in a trash can. My father slapped me with a backhand, got me thinking about back when I never had a dollar, never had a friend to call up, trying to holler up a God. I got some questions, wanna ask him. A bunch of service, I'm just chillin' with my black friends, posted in a crack damn Ruger in a back tent. I'm popping perkies like a Pac-Man, skating, got the dings on the left hand. This is too late for saving my soul. Vampire fangs in my throat like ooh, ooh, ooh. I spent time in Hell's Kitchen, no giving that I've been living like a bad man. Penny pinching, I'm just trying to make a living. I be feeling like I'm digging in a trash can. My father slapped me with a backhand, got me thinking about back when I never had a dollar, never had a friend to call up, trying to holler up a God. I got some questions, wanna ask him. I'm on my last breath. If you let me drown, I'll save myself. I'm on my last breath. I wanna set it all on fire. Don't let me drown, I won't let you down. Think too much, been looking for ways to erase everything. I run around in the memory bank with Glocks in hand. I read about it, learned my lesson, I was down for days. I spent time in Hell's Kitchen, no giving that I've been living like a bad man. Penny pinching, I'm just trying to make a living. I be feeling like I'm digging in a trash can. My father slapped me with a backhand, got me thinking about back when I never had a dollar, never had a friend to call up, trying to holler up a God. I got some questions, wanna ask him. Is it too late for saving my soul? Vampire fangs in my throat like ooh. Is it too late for saving my soul? Vampire fangs in my throat like
Go, go, go.
Maddie. Oh, yeah, Maddie. Later, brother.
Oh, What's that guy's name, Maddie? Oh, look, who's that?
It was a barrel fest for everyone but me. I got clapped. Did not really get any good waves, but that's just how it goes sometimes. After that session and some lunch, we hopped on the boat to go check a little right that Turner had scoped earlier that morning. We pulled up to witness some of the biggest waves that we've seen in the entire trip and some of the biggest waves I've seen in my entire life. It was dreamy but very scary looking. A mean right on a shallow reef with a left that looked like it went into oblivion. Sketchy for sure, but it looked way too good to not give it a try. We immediately got dropped off at the top and jumped in the water. Alex, one of the goofy foot riders on the trip, said he's going to try to go for the left, to which we replied, "You're f***ed, you'll probably die." This led to us getting dropped off a little bit too far past the peak. That mixed with the current in the water pulled us into the impact zone, and when a superset came through, we got absolutely clapped.
They're trying to go left? I wonder if the current's taking them that way.
Very far on the way.
Yeah, way in the inside. Oh. Fuck.
After getting absolutely cleaned up, we headed back out for a few minutes.
Woo! It's probably still coming up.
He ain't lying. You see the honesty? I mean, dude.
Take me right there.
I kept on getting sets on the head. After you guys got washed in, and I'm just like, oh, I'm good. I'm fucking still paddling out. The second I would sit, there'd be a wave like here.
Oh my god.
Jack's going for this way.
No way.
Oh my god. Oh, set. Oh, someone's gonna go here. Jack's going.
Jack's going.
Where's Jack? Turner's going. Oh. Oh no. Turner's under. Battle! Jack's going. It's not where you want to be. Oh no.
Mind you, we're out in the middle of nowhere. I have no idea where the closest hospital is, or nurse's office, or doctor, but I know it's at least a couple hours away. After getting absolutely cleaned up, we headed back out for a few more waves. I ended up taming a couple of beasts, which made me really happy, and it was time to call it a night.
Yeah, just down here a little bit.
Yeah, kind of.
Hey, at least Jack's catching waves.
Amber alert, is that for us?
It's for us, yeah.
Oh, I've been getting a couple. My last one was so fun.
Yeah, where do you keep finding these freaking tidbits?
Oh my gosh, legendary session. Now we're in our second Airbnb of the trip. How many times did you almost die today?
3.
Just 3. Oh my, look at this place. Let me show you the rest of the place. All right, chilling like villains up the sketchiest staircase of all time. Oh my God. Oh, where's the lights? Ah, not bad. We got the most epic grom room ever with no lights in it. Oh, there's 3 beds in here. We're going to the bar.
Yeah, we're going to the bar. Don't worry about that.
Really?
You guys actually have 3 beds in your little room up there.
Really?
So it's our cottage for the next 2 nights. Can you just explain to me what the is going on right now?
He said we're going for a ride around the island.
Oh, we gotta have the
So what, you can't enjoy this?
Roam set, Starlink. Rip off. He's gonna bring it inside so that we all have internet. A lot of these Bahamian islands are very simple, most without grocery stores, so finding something like coffee in the morning is a real treat. But the roads were not built to drive a tiny golf cart with hot coffee and no lid when the waves are firing and there's no time to stop. That is cool looking. All right, Swell Bender Day 3. We're going to check a spot. Can't tell you where because it's super secret. You know what I mean? Oh, we got this thing coming in now. We're gonna watch that. Hopefully once that goes by, we'll be firing. In terms of weather on this trip, we got relatively lucky up until this point. Until this point, where the rain started showing up, and not just the rain, but also the lightning. And listen, I love a good rain and a lightning storm, but not when I'm on a boat in the middle of the ocean. You saw that coming.
That was a good session.
That was fun. The first spot we checked that morning was the magical right from yesterday that all of us almost died at, and it didn't really look worth the drive, so we decided to go find some other waves that we haven't surfed yet. Since if you have a boat out in the Bahamas, there's pretty much a million different places to check. The storms would show up in places that made them seem completely unavoidable. Our hairs standing up on our arms and on our heads, the antennas on top of the boat are buzzing, but the waves were firing, so we figured if we're gonna die, we might as well go surfing. I love lightning, I hate lightning.
Keep the camera rolling. Just in case.
Half a mile. Jesus.
Someone get on box. We need some like emo music.
Storms are moving away. Oh, the Bahamas clouds are crazy. What?
Jack, you going out there?
Yeah, we're out there.
Are you scared?
No, it looks fun. I mean, it's fucking huge, but it should be fun. Our right from yesterday wasn't very good, so we went and checked another one that we found from Google Earth, and it looked to be firing. So we went for a paddle.
Oh.
Rip that thing, Rob.
Oh.
I kind of got work there, but no, not like yesterday.
Yeah.
It was more of just like,
Oh my
I was
God.
just trusted, and I was like, God damn, this is happening again.
What about my rope? That was the sickest wave ever. Dude, I almost came out of that. What?
Like the tail end part?
Bro, that was fucking sick.
I think we need to check on my anus because of how pulverized it just got out there. I had that one wave where I did the big roundhouses though. That felt good. My body was out there. I think that was pretty chill. Let's go to the next spot. Something to know about this trip is we had 2 goofy footers and 2 regular footers, so it was always a battle between rights and lefts because all surfers prefer to go on their front hand, facing the wave instead of having their back to the wave. So to be fair, we pulled up to another left that looked pretty fun. Not anything crazy, but there was a giant barge that had crashed on the reef, along with a tugboat, so having that in the background of some shots just seemed too good of an opportunity to pass up. Hindsight being 2020, I wish I never paddled out to that left and just held out for more rights, because this session went downhill fast.
Daddy. You getting out there?
Set! Go, go, go!
Oh!
Did Jack go in that? Where's Jack? There he is. What's he saying? Hey. Hey? Is he okay? Oh, look at his face. He's bleeding.
Yeah. My face look alright?
You're good, there's no sets yet. Was that fun?
Woo! Am I good?
Yeah.
Does my face look alright?
Maddie, go Maddie.
Board to the face so fucking hard. Okay. Give me a second.
Yeah, I mean, she's lucky to get knocked the fuck out.
I didn't get knocked out, so we're chilling.
That would have been bad.
Guaranteed black eye on the right side.
Yeah.
I've never been hit by a board so hard. Just like.
No, you have. You definitely have.
No, I've not. My whole fucking upper half of my body went numb. I like couldn't feel my forehead or my face.
So how'd you get hit by the board? You jumped down, you came up, and then you smacked you?
It just getting thrown. I just fucking hit it in the whitewash. I might be slightly concussed.
Where's Jason going? No?
I gotta get out of here a little bit.
Is it right there?
Yeah, that might be it. Was that there before?
Yeah, that was already there. Check the bottom.
This?
I don't know.
This is new. That just happened.
No, that happened yesterday.
No.
There's five left in it.
So it's been there, yeah.
How's my eye look?
Sounds good, right?
Any blown blood vessels or anything?
Okay.
I just want you to look.
That's it.
It was mostly my forehead.
You feel it? Was that there before?
Oh, yeah, that's it. What happened?
There's a dent in the board from his face right here. You kind of see it.
I've been counting my blessings on my stairway to heaven. I've been battling depression. I've been feeling all alone. My life so low. I'm full of aggression since adolescence. I was lacking attention, got arrested for possession. 13 years old. Do really kings bleed though? My karma coming, goosebumps up on my shoulder blades. It's hard to stomach, I'm a product of my older ways. The trauma, who bitch and pray to Jesus. Dalai Lama, Robert Williams, hanging in by the news. Started farming, hate the taste of the food. The family starving, famine parted for the root in my mood. I'm treading water, hard to swim with cement in your shoes. I see through the pretensions, beware the choices you choose.
If I die today, I wouldn't need this money. I'd be miles away, never catch me running